I have no doubt that the practice that has helped me the most to achieve a good level of fluency in English is reading. At the beginning it was very difficult because sometimes I found up to 30 new words per page that I didn't know its meaning. But in order to learn those new words, I did what I explained in the video about the creation of vocabularies. At the time of making this video, I can read almost any book in English and maybe I find about 2 or 3 words per page that I don't know what they mean. But they don't prevent me from understanding the whole context of what I am reading. Therefore, one of the most important tips that I can give you, and one that I hope you will take into account very seriously, is that reading books in English, whether ebooks or on paper, will be one of your new habits. You will not only improve in the English language, it will also open your mind and will allow you to have a different perspective on life. In this moment I'm going to show you how to find free ebooks on the internet. It's something very easy. But first, you should know that there are basically 3 types of ebooks that are distributed on the internet, which are the most popular. They are in PDF, EPUB, and also Kindle format. The difference between these formats is that those that are in PDF are like this book that you are seeing in this moment. I can describe it as static pages where you can change the font size of the text. Each page is like viewing a picture. On the other hand, ebooks in EPUB or Kindle format with .movi extension are based on web files. In ebooks with this format, you can increase the size of the font and you will see that the text adapts to the screen, so you can always read the whole content. In order to visualize the PDF files on your computer, you will need the Acrobat Reader program, which can be downloaded for free from the adobe.com website. For those in EPUB or .movi format, you can use a program called Calibre that can also be downloaded for free. Of course, you can also use your smartphone to visualize ebooks. At this time, any smartphone you buy will bring an app to read ebooks. My favorite app for ebooks in EPUB format is one called Alico. It's free, and the way it manages the content is very good. So, to find ebooks to download on the internet, you only need to do a Google search. For example, the best sites for free ebooks. Now we are going to open the links in a new tab. Just press Ctrl plus click. Each of these pages has a list of websites where it is possible to download for free all kinds of ebooks in different formats. But in some sites have certain limitations to do so. For example, a maximum of 5 ebooks can be downloaded free of charge on the site free-ebooks.net. Additionally, in this site you can only download ebooks in PDF format with the free version. If you want the EPUB version of the ebook on this page, you have to make a payment. In this moment you only need to visit these websites to know more about them and see which ones contain the ebooks that may interest you.